How to download Geometry Dash on PC. In this quick tutorial, I will show you the two easy ways to play Geometry Dash 2.2 on your PC. So first, by downloading BlueStacks, an Android emulator from their official website. Install it like any other app. Then open the BlueStacks, log into your Google Play Store with your Google account. Search for Geometry Dash in the Play Store and install it. Launch the game from BlueStacks and start playing with the option to map controls to your keyboard for a smoother experience. Next is by downloading it through Steam from steam.com. So first search Geometry Dash in the Steam store, then purchase the game, download it and you're ready to play. And that's it. Two simple ways to enjoy Geometry Dash 2.2 on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.